Spiritual message to Mrs. Esther Ibagwa. The ancestors sent me message to you. As their child that they love dearly, as the child that is making them proud in the spiritual world, as the child that represents them, that speak for them in the physical world, the eyes of the gods and the mouthpiece of the oceans and the ancestors and the universe. That's why they passed through me to send you this message, Mrs. Esther. Share this video to Esther Ibagwa. Don't joke. This message, check within yourself. Don't say, I don't care. It's a warning and it's an advice. If you don't listen to it, there is destruction ahead of you. As you know me, I am not a content creator. I don't come outside to talk because I want people to follow me. I am a popular queen already. I have always been popular right from the one. Umana dame enitamo. Enika o gafiye kegbuwe o. Rudawe nika o wushin yagogo ye arieba ene baka. Not be to give the ancestor food that they talk o. Not be to do ogume o. Not be to do oyo juju. Ebo ojigo gioma ebo or ego. The ancestors can bless you with money. God can bless you with money. If you see that you are misusing that money, He will take them for you and make you broke. That is why you see many poor men, rich men before. They are not poor now. Because they did not follow the instruction. Esther, you know how you suffered. And God now decided to bless you. The ancestors said they did not bless you for you to be mocking others. Mocking this your second wife. That she does not have a house. That she's broke, that she's not educated enough. She can write, she cannot write, she cannot do this. Because they will soon make her above of you. After they have made her the 100th wife, the 000 to Mr. Destiny, they will make her above of you if you are not careful. They will still make her great. It's time. You now you are singing. That song you are singing is not ordinary song. It's a spiritual song. That's why I, Goddess of the Ocean, I like it. Even though I stopped playing your music, it is when I heard that you are fighting people that they are using your music, you are always complaining. And people are using your music on TikTok. You people are using, why won't they use it on TikTok? You that sing song, you might sing it. People might not like you, but if another person use it, that person's stars might make the music go far. Like I say I am now. There are many musicians I am promoting. People see my face alone. They like it. People see the way I smile and dance on the music. It attracts them to go and play that same music. I was the ex-promoter. Both music and movie. People like me. I don't boast music for a lot of people. Why? And if I do their music, people will like her. Because I get that attraction in my body. I know how to do in different music that draws people attention to that song. That's why many people are using their song. I promote them not because of any other thing. I promote their music because I use their music and I promote them. People will go and search for their music. Allow people to start using your music and leave them alone and stop fighting. Stop making video to complain that people are using your music, they are getting followed. Me, do you know how many videos I have made that people will put in their platform? It will draw a lot of traffic. There was a video I make one day During that process, I was fighting my brother Jeremiah, Prophet Jeremiah. I was not fighting. I was just having some kind of misunderstanding with him because he go to my ocean to challenge my ocean people when he knows where he comes from. When he knows that I am goddess of the ocean, the ghost of this our time. I might not live in your house. I might not come to your house physically, but spiritually, I dwell in every person's house. That is why if I want to come and expose you, I don't need anybody to come and give me information. I will sit here and begin to talk everything you are doing because I live in your house. I am that water, no row away. I know everything you do. Now, what happened? Sarakusa, who is calling me, just a moment. So, when I was having that crash with Mr. Jeremiah, what happened? The video I did, some persons post it in their platform. It clicked millions view. Could you believe that? Me way carrier, me way doing. You not even reach that million view, but it cast up. You don't carry millions, so but it carry thousands. About 800, maybe 700 people, but it went viral. Some persons were calling me Queen Monday. A lot of bloggers are carrying your video. They are making money through it. I said no, I don't care. But please, I made a video. I didn't say you should not carry my video to make money, but put my name. I am the owner of that video. You will make millions from that videos. There is no big deal. I am a fruit. I am that tree that has many fruits that people throw stone at and pluck. They pluck fruit for me and eat, but they always throw stone at me because I was born to be so. Uno kokotsu, uno rieva, uno two. Person when they give many people food. Just like the way I'm telling people to go and answer their spiritual calling, to go and do their juju. Niya ya we bogiya. Na me they come they meet. No. Some they come they meet me. Some they go to different people. When they listen to me with my sweet voice and my big voice. Oh God, I like all my followers. Thank you so much, my lovely people. It's not because I'm perfect, but because the ancestors want them to listen to me, and they will go and do their juju in another different places. Some that belongs to me, that I am the one, they have assigned me to be the one to work for them. They will come to me. Now, I will tell them that please, put my name, Queen Goddess Global, official Queen Goddess Global on TikTok, on Facebook, official Queen Goddess Global on Instagram. Like my name, put the name. You saw the name on the video. Don't cover it. Let people go and locate me because I am made for everyone. There are people who will see me. They have seen me in their dream before, but they don't know how to find me. If you share my video or you post it in your platform, it can be able to make people who they have been showing them me, they will come and locate me so that I can do work for them, spiritual work for them. So that maybe me home everywhere. As I'm still doing this spiritual, I was saying, well, they cannot allow me to work any other work apart from this work. So now this work I want to shop. Yes. It can now win an area. Because me they give access to food. As I say they work, I go see shop. I live there. So my beloved Esther, please let people be using your song and stop mocking people and stop coming to social media with paper body. If the thing is paining you, log out of Facebook. Log out. Don't let people push you because people will come. These people that come to trigger you, they are your weapon of destruction. They will destroy you. Stop bullying this woman, your second. Leave her. And this second, this 100, 0000, Esther is 00200. Do not bully 00200 again. Now me give you the name. The other one, word na 0000. The other one are 00200. None of you are 001 or 002. I says, that is what the ocean says. May the peace of the ocean be with you. I have spoken. Those who have a ear, let them hear. Be careful. The ways of the gods are different from the ways of the human. Don't let the wrath of the oceans before you.